Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Then you need to scroll down and choose Additional Settings. Following that, select one-handed mode over here and click on this gray sweater in order to activate it. Then you need to swipe left or right from the center of navigation panel. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back, just swipe up or click on this area. If you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same no blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!